Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love subscription boxes and you guys do too. I just received my Ipsy Icon box for the month of November. This is now called the Ipsy Ultimate. They rolled out with some name changes this month. And the Icon box we would receive in lieu of getting our BoxyCharm, and it comes out seasonally or quarterly. I'm gonna grab some scissors really quickly. Based off of my PR box, this is my paid for one. Based off my PR box, this is gonna be great. My PR box was a 5 out of 5 for sure. I think this is a banger of a month, and hopefully this just means that everything's just gonna go up from here. All right, we're gonna dive in. I'd like to know too, do you guys receive Ipsy? Have you been on the fence about the Icon box, the Ultimate box, and maybe this month you're like, oh, maybe I might want to check that out? I'd like to know. Okay. In the Icon box, it is generally curated by a celebrity, fashion icon, makeup artist, things like that. This month's theming, and this time around the curator is Natasha Denona. This will give us pertinent details. It will also kind of give us a descriptor of items, pricing, what else we maybe could have gotten in our boxes. We're gonna dive in. All right, first thing right on top is the Live Soft Fill Lip Pencils. We have a duo set in Dusk and Scarlet. And that's kind of cool too, because really with Live, I've mostly seen, I think we've gotten like one eyeshadow palette, but I've mostly seen brows. I honestly thought they were a brow brand, so I'm excited about that. I like that they're like more neutral leaning, so already starting off with a bang. Next up is the Laura Mercier, the Caviar Smoothing Matte Lipstick in 620 Pink. Ooh. And I can't remember what shade I got in my PR box, but y'all, oh my gosh, this packaging is insanely beautiful. Very heavy, very luxe, and very weighted as it should be. Like, this sucker is nice. And I have not tried a whole lot from Laura Mercier, so I'm excited to test this out. Next up, we have the Natasha Denona My Dream Lipstick Voluptuous Creamy Hydrating Lip Color in the shade Natasha. I also have not tried this formula either, and it also feels incredibly luxe, very weighted and heavy. Oh, I love that packaging. That is beautiful. Oh, and I love that color. That is stunning. Y'all, this is so nice so far. Like I knew this was gonna be good because my PR box was a freaking slam dunk. Next up is the Dr. B Lab, the Glycolic Acid Renewal Mask. That sounds amazing. And of course, everything is full size here. We get 8 full-size products. Next up, yes please, I love mascara. This is the Persona Tubing Mascara, volumizing and lengthening. I'm not really gonna be opening anything just yet. We are actually gonna be in the process of moving and stuff like that. And I have plenty of mascaras open right now, but y'all know I love mascara. It's like my favorite, product. It's my most gone through, most used brows and mascaras. They're like my favorite products. Next up, oh, speaking of brows, this is the Milk Makeup, the Kush Clear Brow Gel in Hydro, which is the clear. I have used this for many years. It's one of my all-time favorites. It has a teeny tiny little wand. It gives great hold without being crunchy or waxy or anything like that. I love it. It's fantastic. Then I'm seeing 2 boxes, and we already know what that means. That already means Natasha Denona products. We have the Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter. I'm almost positive I did receive this exact one. Let me just make sure. In my PR box. So if so, I'm obviously not going to open that up. That is what the packaging looks like. And let me just double check. All right. Yes, that is the exact same one that I got. It is so pretty. The packaging is also incredibly beautiful. And it's got like a pinky like reflect to it, but in the pan it just kind of looks white or like a champagne shade. Really stunning, but of course I don't need 2 of them. All right, and then last but not least, we got a freaking palette, and I like how they package these as well. Oh, I got the Retro palette, and I did go in and make my choices. Did I remember what I got? I sure did not. Ooh, I love the packaging of this. That's beautiful, and I do love Natasha Denona's formula as well. That is very pretty. Keep in mind this is upside down. And that is the color story. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm gonna say, like I said in my PR unboxing, 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I think this is a phenomenally curated box, you guys. So we got our palette. We got the Natasha Denona highlighter. We got our Dr. B, which is Dr. Brandt B Labs, the glycolic acid renewal mask. We got a Natasha Denona lipstick. We got a Laura Mercier lipstick. We got the Live Soft Fill Lip Pencils. We got the Milk Makeup Brow. And then we got the Persona Mascara. I also like that this is almost kind of really building a full cohesive face for us. We've got lip liners, lip products, we've got the mascara, we've got skincare, we've got an eyeshadow, and we've got a highlighter. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 for sure. I love this just as much as I loved my PR package. Let me get some prices really quickly for you guys. And it showcases, like, you know, any type of deals, sales, anything like that. They do have the mega drop shop going on at the time that I am filming. All right, let's see. Oh, we could have gotten so many beautiful products, you guys. Let's see, on this page, did I get anything? I would have liked to have gotten the foundation. I'm not gonna lie, that would have been kind of cool. Or maybe even the Infused Glow Luminizer. Of course, I'm thrilled with my box either way. Okay, the Dr. B Lab. Apply a thin layer, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse before makeup to smooth any texture. Think of it as a 5-minute primer reset. That is $54 just for that. The Persona, the volumizing tubing mascara is $24. The Live Beauty Soft Fill Lip Pencils are $32. And that's kind of all I'm seeing in terms of prices as far as the things that I got. And then the Natasha Denona palettes generally retail for around $69-ish. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled. 5 out of 5. What do you guys think? Are we box twins? Do you receive the icon or the ultimate box from Ipsy? And what are some of your favorite subscription boxes? I'd like to know. And if you did like this video, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. I also have my 7,000 subscriber giveaway up already, so feel free to hop on over to that video and enter if you would like to. You can also turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. You can hype this video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!